Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Praveen Kumar Vamsati. Today we'll see Snowflake mail notification. Okay, from Snowflake, how can we send notifications? We can see easily with the help of one procedure is there. I'll explain in detail. Okay, see, I'm trying to create one database for understanding perspective. So database, email, dev something. Okay, any name. So for understanding email, development database. So then create schema, email, dev sc. Okay, so this is the database name, schema. So far, good. Okay. Now, what happened in Snowflake? There is a procedure we can say system dollar email system send email. This is the procedure. It having 4 to 5 parameters. So first parameter is that what it's an integration name. So we need to give the integration name. So second parameter is the email addresses. Okay, email address. If you want to know, we can able to put in this one. Second parameter. And the third parameter is that what's the subject. So mail subject. So this is the third parameter. Same thing. And the fourth parameter is that what the content. Whatever the content we want to pass, we can pass here. And last one is the MIME. Nothing but what whether you want to see text file or HTML. Okay, see. First argument is integration name. Second argument is the email address which you want to get from Snowflake. The mail subject, the content, and the MIME type. Nothing but whether you want HTML or normal text. Okay, before that, first we should create integration. That was the main thing. So first step is what you need to create the notification integration. See, let me create. So create or replace notification. Okay, you can give any name. Suppose like integration, I can give. Okay, what pointer? So you can give. So my mail int integration. So this is my integration. Here, what happened? Type. I'm mentioning email. So since we want email, you can put email. Next, enable. This is normal thing. Enabled equal to true. So see, now we need to give the allowed recipients, nothing but what, so which you want to get the mail. Okay, see, recipients. So this is the function. 1 second. Okay, see, now I need to give the mail. Okay, see, this is the functional. So control. Okay, so see, create or replace notification. Okay, see, notification, we should give integration. This is the integration. Integration is the integration name. So we are getting email. So enable true, we can put multiple mails. Okay. And one more thing is that what the main thing, this mail should be registered with Snowflake. Okay, we should have an account with the same thing. See, so notification integration has been created successfully. So then copy the same thing, Control C, and put here. Now integration name is my mail integration. So email address. So what the email address I want to give? I want to give this email address. Control C and the control. Okay. Subject, suppose I want to put something like test. Okay. Hello, simple thing. Hello, Praveen. Okay, so just we can able to remove this last one. Okay, so we need to call. How to call the procedure by saying call. Okay, let me call this procedure. See, send email. How to confirm? Let me help you. See, so we're getting from no reply @snowflake.net. So test mail, this is the subject and this is the content. Hello, Praveen. So we'll get a mail from no reply @snowflake.net test mail. This is so far good. Okay, let me go to Snowflake. Okay, so this is now we'll try to explain with the help of the HTML the same. So 1 second. Same thing, we can able to pass the HTML also. Okay, if we can pass the color also, we can able to. So say my mail int. Okay, see now at the last what we can put, so text single quote text I want to get HTML. Okay, so content I am trying to change. So that what you'll get some clarity. So see, I'm putting simple. Okay, I want you like fit promotion. See new SQL, Snowflake, DBT, batches. Okay, this is the subject I want to put. Now here what happened, you should have a little bit knowledge on HTML also, a little bit. Okay, so the header will be there. Okay, H1 is the header style. Okay, if you want to color, which color we want, we can put the color also. So color. Okay, see, I want to go for blue color. Okay, same thing. So, but this is like bit, okay, just, okay, so just for understanding purpose. So June 5th, 2025. Okay, so batch starts. Okay, so this is same thing. Now we need to close the header. Okay. So this is the same thing. H1 style, I want to color, blue color I want to get. So June, this is so far good. Now same thing, now what happened? So put one more header, H1. So style equal to color. So which color I want? Okay, see. So I want to black color, semicolon. Okay, so far good. Okay. Next one, what I want to give the heading. Okay. So now what happened? I want to give my phone number. Reach on. So reach on 970-969. Yes. Sometimes we want to get in a so detailed format, then we can go for this function. So see, I want to put text here, so we need to close it. So this is a normal thing. Integration name, your mail ID, you can put multiple mails by comma separate value. So this is the subject and this heading, this data will be coming in the HTML format. Now see, there is some issue. What is the issue? We need to put comma. Okay. So system, we are getting true. Now what I should do, go to mail and we need to confirm it. 1 second. Okay, if you see here what happened, so we are getting from which mail, no reply @snowflake.net, new SQL and Snowflake DBT batches. This is the heading. So see June, this is the subject. We'll so generally what happened if you want to get in a detailed manner like this, we can go for HTML also we can go. So see simple thing. So here what happened here, you need to understand two things. One is integration we need to create. So this is the integration name. Okay, type email. So we need to give a list of emails. One more thing, this mail should be registered with Snowflake. So then what happened? Next one, we need to call the send email procedure. So the arguments will be integration name, the mail IDs, the subject and the content. This is normal thing. If you want to get HTML, you should put text.html format. So if you like the content, subscribe and share the channel. Thank you for watching.